Lavender lemonade, nature's best cure for anxiety and headaches. Lavender oil is one of the most frequently used and most beneficial essential oils that exist. It is rich in essential nutrients and offers a variety of health benefits, which makes it a must-have for everyone's home. According to studies, the oil contains over 150 active compounds that give it its powers. Lavender oil has antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, sedative and antispasmodic properties. A recent study from the University of Florida has revealed that it can reduce anxiety and heart rate in students during exams, and using it in aromatherapy can lower stress in patients before surgery. Some experts say that the oil works better than massage or rest, and that it can reduce pain during labor, help you sleep better and treat depression. There's much evidence of lavender oil helping people suffering against sinus congestion, headaches and migraines, hangovers and different types of pain. There have been very few clinical trials that have demonstrated the oil's efficiency against anxiety, but thousands of people that tried it claim it works. The aromatherapy effect can be blamed on the psychological effects of the oil's aroma combined with the physiological effects of the limbic system's volatile oils. In general, most people have used lavender oil as a way of relieve stress due to its powerful sedative effect. Although you can inhale it, there's an even better way of benefiting from lavender oil: consuming it in the form of lemonade. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 drop lavender oil, 12 cups water, 6 lemons, squeezed, a cup of honey. Lavender sprigs, optional and for decoration. Preparation: just mix everything in a pitcher, then add some ice cubes and pour yourself a glass. Drink the lavender lemonade every day to relax and prevent anxiety. Besides the lemonade, you can also diffuse the lavender oil in your home, add it to a bath, or mix it with a carrier oil and rub it on your skin to repel insects. Whatever you pick, the oil will surely help you feel much better than before. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.